What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to get approved for a Chase business line of credit, even if you don't have all the traditional documents they ask for. This video is based on a real strategy we've tested and refined, and we're going to walk through how to position your business to qualify for high limit credit with Chase without wasting time or getting denied for not having every box checked. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. If you want help setting this up or you want to build a business credit file that actually gets approved, and funds reach out to the network directly on Discord. That's where we do all coaching and support now. Telegram is no longer reliable. All right, let's lock in. First off, let's break down what a business line of credit even is. A lot of people jump into these conversations thinking they're just like a credit card, but they're a bit more flexible and built specifically for businesses with real cash flow needs. A line of credit is revolving, meaning you can pull funds, pay them back, and use them again as long as you stay within the approved limit. So if you're running ads, ordering inventory, making payroll, or scaling operations, this is the type of capital that moves with your business, not against it. Now, Chase offers two types of lines of credit, their business line of credit and their commercial line of credit. The one most of you are going to be aiming for is the business line, which goes up to $500,000 and gives you 5 years of access, followed by 5 more years to pay it back. But here's the catch. Chase does not make this easy to get unless your business is already established. Most people apply and get denied because they walk in cold, don't have a relationship with the bank, and can't show consistent activities. So let's fix that. Step 1 is relationship. You need to open a business checking account with Chase. Don't wait. Do it now and leave that account open for at least 90 days before you try to apply for the line of credit. This does two things. It builds internal data points for your profile, and it shows the banker that you're not just trying to grab funding and disappear. Chase wants active accounts, not ghost businesses. Fund that account with at least $10,000. If you can do $25,000 or more, even better. If you don't have that money sitting around, here's a play. Leverage other low doc lines of credit like what we teach inside the mentorship to temporarily park money in the Chase account. Leave it there for 90 days, move it around a bit to simulate activity, and let it season. This is key because if you're applying for a $25,000 or under line of credit and you already have $25,000 sitting in your Chase account with good activity, they may not even ask for business tax returns. This means you can get approved with low documentation. This is the exact strategy we've helped others run, and it works. Now let's talk documentation. For a full doc application, Chase typically wants 2 years in business with consistent ownership, your business tax, ID proof of good standing with your state income statement, and balance sheet articles of incorporation or organization, personal and business tax returns, employee and contractor count. But again, if you're doing the low doc strategy and requesting $25,000 or less, you can skip most of this. What you'll need instead is 6 months of strong bank statements from your Chase business account, personal tax returns from the past 2 years, and a clear story for how the business plans to use the funds. Now, real quick, Chase will ask you how you plan to use the money. Don't wing it. Have a clean, confident answer. Say you're scaling ad spend, expanding inventory, hiring more staff, whatever makes sense for your model, just make sure it's clear and intentional. Also, credit. Chase is looking for a personal credit score of around 680 or higher with solid payment history. A couple late payments won't kill you, but consistent delinquency will. And yes, they will pull your personal credit and likely want a personal guarantor for the line unless your business is bringing in serious revenue. If you're not quite there yet, that's where the network can help you get in position. We have the trade line source to boost your credit score, the funding setups to help you show revenue, and the exact public record data that can help your profile look stronger when lenders review it. Now let's talk interest rates. Chase ties the business line of credit to the prime rate, and you'll usually land somewhere between prime plus 2.2% and prime plus 7.15%, depending on your credit and business profile. If you're going for their commercial line of credit, which is for $500,000 and up, that's a different game. That product is tied to the SOFR rate, and you'll get paired with a business banker to walk you through it. But for now, let's focus on the 10 to 500K range most of you are targeting. Payment structure is simple. You'll pay 1% of the principal balance plus interest every month during the draw period. After 5 years, you get another 5 years to pay back what you used. So if you're managing cash flow smart, this is a great option to keep your business funded without being buried in payments. Fees are low too. No application fee, no origination fee, just an annual fee of either $200 or 0.25% of your approved credit limit, whichever is greater, maxing out at $750. But here's the trick. If you use at least 40% of your limit consistently throughout the year, they waive the fee for the next year. So don't just let the line sit unused, Run Smart plays through it. One last key is timing. Apply after you've had the Chase account open for 90 days with consistent deposits. Go in person. Don't apply online. Tell them exactly what you want, a business line of credit for working capital. If they ask for docs, have your personal tax returns and 6 months of business bank activity ready. If you're told you need business financials or returns but you haven't filed yet, tell them this is your first profitable year and your accountant is preparing them now. That often buys you time or lets them lean on your personal income instead. And if you're doing this with the network, we'll help you script that conversation and even prep the exact docs they'll ask for. Remember, this isn't about tricking the bank. It's about being strategic, looking fundable, and showing that your business is already moving. The faster you show proof of activity and structure, the faster you get approvals. So if you want help getting in position, getting your credit file built out properly, or you want to run this full strategy step-by-step, contact the network on Discord. We'll walk you through the business structure, show you the trade line game, and set up the entire funding flow, including how to liquidate that funding once it lands. This is just one of many plays we break down in the mentorship. So if you're tired of playing small tap in, the information is here. Now it's on you to move it. This is the network. See you in the next video.